Revolutionize your fitness with Amazfit Band 7 to 18-day battery, Alexa built and more. Introducing the Amazfit Band 7, a smartwatch that meets the ISO 22810:2010 standard for water resistance up to 50 meters. It's perfect for water sports, showering, and swimming. The Band 7 has also passed third-party testing by SGS, with report number SWT2205-46. Additionally, the Hunt Fitness study shows that maintaining a PAI score of 100 or higher can lower the risk of hypertension, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. This study was conducted by Professor Ulrik Wisløff of the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, with over 230,000 participants over 35 years. To use this